Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now we are going to see IBM Software Developer role for freshers 0 to 3 years of experience. Before going to watch these two companies, watch the video till the end. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Let's go to the video. And this will be IBM hiring for software developer role. The role and responsibility they are mentioning here. As a software engineer, you are going to work in developing apps, networking portal, application development using database and align with the client development technology. What you will do, collaborative environment, understanding requirement, ASP technologies and quality and service stability. Who you are all first working in a company as a creative and supporting great and soft skill and quick learning and efficiency programming knowledge on coding complex technical issues, troubleshooting, designing, debugging, and resolve the role they are expecting, and you are going to work from that. Required technical and professional experience could be a cloud AWS, Azure, Google Computer, offshift, onshift, 0 to 3 years, and you have proficiency with Angular, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and so many skills they are mentioning communication, CA based, cloud, and testing, Java, concept coding, so many things they are mentioned here. If you have done any one certification in that year itself, it will be helpful for you to apply. It will be look like you are already experienced candidate and they didn't know what freshers can do, but experienced candidate they started their work yearly as much what the company requirement. So apply as much you can quickly. Just want to apply here, and you can create an account in IBM and apply with your resume, and the country and region will be mentioned here. Bangalore software development bachelor degree, full any degree full time only they are hiring, and this all the travel required, no travel companies and everything they mentioned here. I will put the link in the description. Start applying. Next one will be system engineer role and Wipro. So those who did not get a third phase interview or third phase didn't mail anything, so many things you didn't get. So don't worry, you can start applying here itself. You just start apply. And what the exceptional thing they are asking communication troubleshooting. Same for basic IT workers they can apply, and if you have experience also you can apply for this role, system engineer role. It will be helpful for you tech hiring, and this all the mass hiring for IBM and as well as Wipro. These two companies started their hiring in their home page itself. If you have any doubt while filling in this form, comment me in the comment section. I will clarify a doubt. Thanks for watching this channel. Share to your friends.